Naway sa araw na ito, kami mapunuan po ng inyong grasya.
Oh wow, thank you! You're the sweetest!
Matapos ang ilang araw na pagkawala ni Kim sa Showtime dahil sa kanyang mga taping para sa bago nitong serye, ay talagang namiss naman ito ng mga Showtime kids, at kabilang na nga dito si Jace na pinuntahan pa si Kim sa kanyang dressing room kanina. Nagbigay din ito ng regalo sa kanyang tita Kim.
Pinaksan ko na po.
Oh wow, thank you! You're the sweetest! Thank you! Happy Valentine's Day!
Hindi, maraming bago pa naghiwalay, hindi na in love. Pero hindi sila naghiwalay kasi wala din silang big issue.
At matapos naman sa Showtime ay ipinasilip ni Kim ang bago nitong blessing at bago nitong pamilya, kasama din ni Kim ang kanyang glam team. Samantala, ito naman ang ilan sa mga naganap sa 29th anniversary ng ASAP, at mag-amet may pinagdaraanan ay sinabi naman ni Kim na kailangan nilang isang tabi ang kanilang personal na buhay sa kanilang trabaho. It is a different kind of Sunday, a bittersweet kind of day, being in the entertainment industry. One person told me not to bring my personal problems in front of the camera. If you can't do it, don't go to work, because our job is to entertain people. People won't understand what you are truly feeling inside. They don't know anything, unless you tell them one by one or tell them what you are going through, but not all of them will understand, and not all of them know what is happening inside you. But for me, going to work, and being present, is my way of escaping to my reality. I can smile, laugh, talk to people, sing, dance, host, act, and much more. I can pretend that everything is okay at the time being, but yesterday seemed very hard. But I know Sir Deo will not be happy if I don't attend to one of his first projects in ABS-CBN, celebrating 29 years of ASAP. Sa huli, ay nagpasalamat din ito sa iniwang legacy ni Sir Deo sa ASAP.